5 must-say du'as in Ramadan. Number 1. Dua when breaking fast in Ramadan. The thirst has gone and the veins are moist, and reward is assured if Allah wills. ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. Now don't forget to make dua once you've broken your fast. Indeed, the prayer of the fasting person during his break is not rejected. From Sunan Ibn Majah. Number 2. Dua if you want more energy to do your ibadah. O Allah, help me remember you, to express gratitude to you and worship you in the best manner. Allahumma a'inni ala dhikrika wa shukrika wa husna ibadatik. If you are feeling tired and exhausted, then say, there is no power or might except with Allah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Number 4. Dua for the night of power, Laylatul Qadr. In a hadith, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ encouraged his wife Aisha to read the following supplication if one were to meet Laylatul Qadr. O Allah, you are most forgiving and you love forgiveness, so forgive me. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. And finally, number 5, the dua to say to get the good peace and benefit in this world and the hereafter. O our Lord, give us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and save us from the punishment of hellfire. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Join the Zumura community. Subscribe for more.